For the untypical slanted roof, switch the roof face left, right and top mode to on. Now let's input specific values to create the untypical slanted roof. For the roof face left, set the angle to 45 degrees, the thickness to 150 mm and an offset of 400 mm. Mirror these exact values for the roof face right. Moving on to the roof face top, the angle is automatically set to 0 for the roof surface at the top. Input a thickness of 250 mm and an offset of 1200 mm to define the top surface. Next, go to the Options group and make sure to select Yes for the Keep the Original Ceiling option. This ensures that your existing ceiling design remains unchanged. To uniformly adjust the wall thickness, set Thickness manually to No for each roof face. Now, under Options, input a thickness of 180 mm. Let's talk materials. You have the flexibility to choose an alternative material for the roof. For this tutorial, let's stick with wood. Additionally, for the wall extension, opt for concrete. Lastly, let's explore another interesting feature: negative directions on slanted roof faces. Head back to the options and set Keep the Original Ceiling to Yes as top roof face. Choose concrete beam as an alternative material and set None for the wall extension material. Now you can add a minus sign in front of the values and turn off the roof face top. This feature is useful when you want the shaft height to align with the roof, not surpassing it.